I gave you my heart.
Hi guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today's video is going to be a Roxy Revolution makeup look with full face. So my foundation, concealer palette because I've ran out of my regular concealer, and just everything you can put on your face. Let's get into it. The only primer I have is eyeshadow primer. I ran out of my other primer. So this is kind of not a full face, but we've just not got face primer. So I'm going to just get into doing foundation. Now I'm going to use this palette. This is the light to medium concealer palette. So it has all them colours. So I kind of mix the medium one there and then the light one down there, just because I've got like a not pale skin but not like tanned. So it's kind of confusing. I haven't put much on because I don't find these types of concealers work on my skin, or I can't blend them as well. I don't know if it's just because Revolution's like concealer base is not good, but I find their like liquid concealer really good. I need to order it, but I pretty much say that all the time, but I will get to ordering it one day. So next thing I'm going to do is my blusher and my highlight. I've got this highlight, looks like that, and my typical MIUA blusher. The last and final face base makeup is my pressed powder, and to start off the eyeshadow look is this eyeshadow primer, 24-hour eyeshadow primer from Too Faced. I really recommend it. All of these products I recommend, except from this one because I don't use it that often. But I got this out of the Revolution calendar. You can't really get it online, I don't think, but if you can, I wouldn't recommend it. And this is from Natural Collection. So this is actually the makeup I should be using because it's natural product and it will help my skin more, but no, I'm here using Revolution just because it says it in the word natural, so they don't really have many bright colours or like different shades. All their shades are very like the colour of my skin, so it's not really helpful. But this is the only product I've got from them, and it looks like this. So I don't know if you can see, but this eye is always the worst for like putting any like base coat on, unless it's like really, really, really good. It's really bad with putting base coats on. But I've put my eyeshadow primer on. Now on to doing my pretty much everyday makeup look I do when I do put makeup on. Now I'm gonna put my eyeshadow primer on again. This is another reason why I love this eyeshadow primer. This is the main reason I use it. I don't really use it that often as a base coat, but I use it as a primer on my lid to put glitter on. So I really recommend doing that with this primer if you've got it. Now, I know most makeup artists, I'm not a makeup artist, but most makeup people who do makeup for a living do their mascara and their lipstick and then put the fixing spray on. But I don't know if it's the way I put it on, but I find that I put it on with my mascara, and because it's like, I kind of expect it but kind of not. I think I blink and then the mascara runs everywhere. So I normally put my lipstick on and then do the fixing spray and then put my mascara on. So let's get to my lipstick. So I'm going to use one of the lipsticks that was on my favourites video. If you have not seen that, go check it out. I'll link it in the description if I remember. But this is the brown Barry M lipstick. As you can see, I use it quite a lot, and it's just a nice lipstick to apply on your lips. It's not too glossy, but it's definitely not matte. So now we're on to doing my fixing spray. And then I just dab it with my hand. So I have actually got two mascaras. I got this one. I don't know why I got it though, because I had the small version of this. But I just wanted to try out a different mascara. So I got this one, but my true love is this mascara. I cannot recommend this mascara more. This mascara and this is pretty much my branding. I know Too Faced does not do like sponsors. Well, I don't know. I'm guessing they don't, but if they do, I would love, like in future, I would love to like sponsor Too Faced, because you all know how much I love this mascara and this primer, and I also love their eyeshadow palette. This is the final look with my mascara, my eyeshadow, my foundation, what I rarely put on. As you can see, I'm not as red, but honestly, I just don't put it on that often because to me it's just hassle. I only put it on special occasions, and we're in lockdown lately. But I really wanted to show you what I look like with foundation on and in full face of makeup, because loads of makeup artists do a full face, or loads of YouTuber makeup people do loads of full faces, but I just do the average full face but without the foundation. I use concealer on a daily when I'm doing my makeup, but because I don't have it, that's why I'm not using it with my other makeup videos lately. But when I get it, believe me, you're going to see me use that concealer under my eye all the time. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and comment down below just anything. Let's have a chat, let's talk. I love responding to you all. Your comments have been lovely lately. All of the support and everything lately, I can't thank you enough. So I love you and leave you. Bye.